Proper name for Python operator? What is the correct name for operator, as in function args? Unpack, unzip, something else?
In Ruby and Perl 6 this has been called splat, and I think most people from those communities will figure out what you mean if you call it that. The Python tutorial uses the phrase unpacking argument lists, which is long and descriptive. It is also referred to as iterable unpacking, or in the case of dictionary unpacking.
I call it positional expansion, as opposed to which I call keyword expansion.
The Python tutorial simply calls it the operator. It performs unpacking of arbitrary argument lists.
I say star args in Python, people seem to know what I mean. It's trickier, I think just cargs since it is usually used as kw or korgs.